Brief, accurate and important news of today's Sunday. Sheikh Abdul Baqi Haqqani, the head of the National Examination Department, says that with the coordination of the Ministry of Higher Education, the entrance exam of private universities will be held by the National Examination Department. The former advisor of the Ministry of Higher Education, the instructor and employer of Kabul Education and Nangarhar Universities, Dr. Muhammad Tahir Inayat, has returned to the country. He left the country 8 years ago due to some problems, and after the arrival of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, he returned to the country back with confidence. The General Director of AOP of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan says, now Afghanistan has a stable and reliable system. The work is underway for the progress and development of the country, and the evil plans of the enemies for the failure of the country are thwarted. Kabul municipality says the construction work of a sub-road is underway in the 7th section of the 8th district. The General Directorate of the Traffic Authorities said that traffic incidents in Afghanistan have decreased due to the better control and monitoring of vehicle movement and compliance of drivers with traffic rules. Mazar Shabargan's gas pipeline project has started at the cost of 609 million Afghanis. This pipeline has a length of 95 kilometers. The work will start from Khwajagarak area of Jawzjan province and it will end in Balkh. This project will be completing within 3 years from the budget of the Islamic Emirate.